Here we are at Northeast Factory Direct. I've said those words a few times because of Alex here, and everyone always asks me, says, what's Alex really like? And so I thought I'd give you a little taste yourself here, and Alex is one of the nicest guys I've ever known, and I think that's why the people that work for you, man, they're dedicated to this.
Oh, they're awesome. They, I always talk about it's, I really don't have a lot to do with this. It's the folks that we have here have really just done an amazing job. I mean, we started with very, very humble beginnings with employee number one, and and we're a gritty company. We've been through a lot together. We've had some disasters, like we had a fire a few years back, but that really just showed everybody came together and has done an amazing job.
I really get a big kick out of the growth too, because you always make a point of saying, well, this place might be too nice for us.
Right.
It's supposed to be a place where it's a warehouse, but you have such nice stuff here. You have to take care of it, and people have to be comfortable. And when you come here, you are comfortable, and you do have some fantastic deals here.
Yeah. So one of the things that we are just so proud of is, when you come into our place, we're going to treat you like family, and that's the truth. It's a total laid-back attitude. We don't have fancy shirts and follow you around because we're going to make a big commission, and really just try to help you find what you want, and if we can't do that, that's okay too.
So my kid just moved back from Chicago, and he's going to set up downtown Cleveland like all the young guys want to do. So he says, Dad, what should I do about furniture? So what do I tell him? Right, Northeast Factory Direct. So we go over to the East Side store, and that guy walked us around, showed my kid some stuff. He bought stuff, he was so happy with it. His buddies came down and bought stuff.
Yeah, and that's usually how it works. Over 70% of our business is referrals and repeat customers. It's so funny when I'm at the grocery store and I run into somebody, I bought a dining room set when you first started, and it just makes us feel so good.
I get a big kick out of the person I heard about in North Dakota recognizes you walking around out there, you got a baseball hat on, incognito.
Yeah.
Alex!
Yeah, my neighbor's just got a kitchen. It was really fun, and that's, that's what we're in it for.
Talk about family. This is a family, but talking to Alex about his family, it's unbelievable. It touches your heart. He's a chief now, so you're not just the chief of this, you're the chief of something else.
Yeah, I'm in our camping, so I camp with my kids a lot, and they really get a kick out of it, and that's actually more stressful than coming here. So, some of them, they're running around all over the place. They're off for summer, so I have them, working here.
So it's hard to believe. This guy, look how young he looks. He's got 4 kids. He runs around. He's the chief of one group. He's got this big company going on. And then I go, it's crazy the things he does physically too. Like, tell me about some of these races you've been in, some of these competitions.
So.
He's not a bragger, so this isn't easy.
I have run some long distances and climbed
like a 100-mile marathon or something.
Yeah. It's not as hard as it sounds.
Yeah. But you come here and then you see Alex in his place of work here, and boy, you can learn a lot and get some great deals. I love that new hot tub you have with the salt water. I never had a hot tub because I'm not a chemist.
Yeah, so the stuff that we have, we really try to have the best quality products, because I'm selling this stuff to neighbors, friends. I don't want to run into somebody at the grocery store and they're upset about their electric bill because they have a hot tub. So that's something, we have to have a good product too. That's what we got into this for, and just to save people money.
Yeah, and have a lot of fun. So usually at the end I have to say where all the stores are, but today I'm not going to do that. I'm just going to say thanks a lot, man.
Thank you.
Oh yeah, Northeast Factory Direct has stores in Cleveland, Euclid, and Macedonia. What is that? East side, west side, south side? Oh yeah, or the website. And there's also a hot tub outlet and swim spa showroom, and that one is in Mentor.